If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Skype subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you won't be charged in the future. Step 1. Sign into Skype. Go to the Skype website or open the Skype app on your device. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Manage subscriptions. In account settings, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. Click on it to view all your active subscriptions. Step 4. Turn off auto-renewal. Find the subscription you wish to cancel. There should be an option to manage or edit the subscription. Select the option to turn off auto-renewal. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the changes. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the update. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your Skype subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Skype support.